Hello guys. In this video, I'll be talking about a tool in Kali Linux. It's called Nikto. Okay, so Nikto is a web server scanner. Okay, so what is a web server scanner, right? It's a tool that performs a bunch of tests against a web server. Okay, so for this particular for this particular tool, Nikto, it performs over 6,700 potentially dangerous files, programs, and other things actually. So it's already built in Kali Linux, so you can simply open a terminal, okay, to run it. Okay, it's actually very simple. Okay, so first up, let's check it out. Okay, so when you type in Nikto, it'll give out an error because it didn't spy any URLs, but here you can actually see a brief description of all the options available. Well, not all, okay, but a bit of the options available. Okay, so some of the important stuff are, well, display, okay, DB check, help, okay, then the output, right? But if you want to check out all the options available in Nikto, you can simply write Nikto, dash help, right? As you can see here. So this will give you all the available options. Okay, so okay, so we'll try some things here. Okay, we'll just make it very simple. Okay, let's first check out the website that we'll be using. Okay, so this is a Heroku deployed application. It's actually another project of mine. So we'll use this one. Okay, you'll use this URL, okay, to test out the application. Okay, so how this works is it's very simple actually. You can simply just write Nikto, okay, dash host, okay, and then you specify the URL that you want to test. Okay, I'm using this one. I can actually close it because we don't need it anymore. And you always want to output it to some sort of file. Okay, so let's put nikto/report.txt. Okay, so you can actually use a bunch of format. If we go to the documentation, okay, here you can CSV, JSON, HTML format, or TXT. Okay, so for this particular example, I'll just use TXT. Okay, and then you just simply press enter. Okay, this will actually take a while. Okay, I've done this before and it takes, I think, like half an hour or something. So depending on your connection and your server, okay, this may take a while. Okay, so I'll pause it here. Okay, and then when it's done, let's check out the report.txt. Okay, so we're actually done with the scan itself. It took almost an hour. You can actually see some stuff here, some information given, like servers using Apache. Okay, let's check out the report file. Okay, Nikto report.txt. Okay, so again, I guess they basically give the same information given here. Just put it here. Okay, so yeah, we can see, like, for example, the anti-click jacking X-frame options here is not present. So this is the website is you can attack it using click jacking. Yeah, so usually you don't actually just use Nikto to hack a website, but this is like a starting point. Okay, because you can get some valuable information here. Like I've said before, you can see that this website is prone to click jacking. Okay, and other stuff. Okay, so thank you for watching. This thing basically concludes the end of the video. Okay, goodbye.